Hi guys, in front of me is OPPO A77 5G, and let me show you how to activate eye comfort mode. So at first, open the settings, then find and select display and brightness, and here you will notice eye comfort. Click to manage the panel, and now you can activate eye comfort mode right now by using the switcher. Here you can select the temperature, so smoothly by sliding you can manage it. Then you can also schedule your eye comfort mode, so just tap on custom hours, and now you can select the start hour and then the end hour. Then click on save, and from now on, between those hours, so those scheduled hours, your eye comfort mode will be automatically activated. You can also change the display effect, so you can use these colors, so as you've seen it previously. So this is the panel and color option, and then you can also use black and white eye comfort mode. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.